Cash App Advisor, one of the best guide for Cash App users. My name is Mashkur Ali. If you're trying to use your Cash App but your PIN isn't working, don't worry. In this video, we will tell you why this happens and how to fix it. So, let's get started. One of the most common reasons your PIN doesn't work is simply typing it wrong. It happens to all of us. But if you're sure about your PIN and it's still not working, it might be due to a bug in the Cash App. Make sure your app is up to date. You can also check if Cash App servers are down by visiting the Cash App website. You will find the link to check the status of Cash App in the description. If you have tried everything and still can't use your PIN, you can reset it in just a few simple steps. Now, let's show you all the steps through a video. Look, the video is open now. First, we need to open the Cash App and you will see the profile icon button. Click on it. After that, multiple menus will appear. Here, you need to click on the support button. As soon as we click on the support button, we will see a search bar where we need to type reset. Now, you will see the option change cash PIN. Click on it and you can easily change your PIN. If you face any issues, you can also chat with customer support from here. So, that's how you can fix your Cash App PIN issue. I hope this video helped you. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends who use Cash App. If you have more questions about Cash App or loans, drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe our channel and press bell icon for more such useful content. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.